You have always fried fish the wrong way and didn't know. That's right, folks. When you're making fried fish at home, if you do this, take the fish and throw it straight into the oil, then you're doing it wrong. Because when you do that, it's gonna splatter oil all over your kitchen. And most importantly, your fish won't turn out crispy and crunchy. So now I'm gonna show you the best way to make fried fish at home. And here's what you're gonna need for that. Water. That's right, water. And for this, I've got 14 ounces of tilapia fillet right here. But of course, you can use the fish you prefer. Now go ahead and season it your way. Here, I'm gonna use the juice of half lime. I'm also gonna add half tablespoon of lemon pepper and half teaspoon of salt. But like I said, you can season it however you prefer. And now make sure to mix everything together really well to incorporate the seasoning. And once that's done, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This way, the seasoning will really infuse into the fish. Meanwhile, in another container, now this is the big secret of this fish, folks. Go ahead and add half cup of cornmeal, along with half cup of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. Then mix everything together really well until it becomes one thing. And then this is what we're gonna do. Take the seasoned fish and then put in the cornmeal and flour mixture, making sure to coat it really well. Once that's done, take the fish and have a container of water prepared right next to it. That's right, folks. Then go ahead and dip the fish in the water. Dip it, take it out, and wait for it to stop dripping. As soon as it stops dripping, just put in the hot oil. Okay, one more time. Take the fish, coat it well in the cornmeal and flour, and then dip in a container of water. Dip and take it out. Then wait for it to stop dripping. When it stops, go ahead and put in the pan with hot oil. But now folks, if you ask me what's the big deal, I can keep my hand really close to the pan because not a drop of oil will splatter. Just look at it. And most importantly, the fish will turn out extremely crispy and dry. Let me show you. Alright, it's ready. And check those beauties. Let me grab a fork so you can hear the crispness. Listen. Can you hear that? Check this out, folks. Come on, that's amazing. And to make it just perfect, that's all it needs, a squeeze of lime. So, there you have it. Gonna make fried fish at home? Try it this way. I'm sure you'll love the result.